I'm Lisa. I'm a Vollara distributor. This is my Air and Surface Pro, and I wanted to show you a process to clean this that is not talked about in the manual and will add some life to the filter cartridge in the back. The manual recommends that you replace it every year at the cost of about $49, but with this process, hopefully you don't have to do that and can add some savings. I'm going to show you a great way to clean this cartridge filter on the back of the Air and Surface Pro Plus. I've already taken the screws out of the back, so this cartridge comes out, and what the manual doesn't tell you is this actually comes apart. If you take a small flathead screwdriver and you go into the tabs here on the bottom, this frame comes apart. It's important to take this apart so you can put it back in the same order. Just flip it over. If you notice, the bottom has this little round piece here, and you can see the dust. So each one of these pieces I'll take outside and brush off and put back in the same order. This is just a screen filter. This is some kind of fiberglass filter. And this is the small HEPA filter, very thin but dusty, and then the last layer is a honeycomb filter. So this will all get taken outside, brushed off, rinsed off, wiped down. Also, in the back here, there are two more screws that I've already taken out, so you can get to the fan assembly, and you can see the fan blades with static are going to collect dirt and dust, so that can be wiped off with a damp cloth as well. That's another thing they don't show you in the manual. So take a damp cloth and just wipe off the fan blades, wipe off the inside, wherever you can see dust, and you're good to go. Pop the top back on. Put the two screws back here. And the important part for replacing the filter assembly is this round knob here is the bottom. And the first piece that goes back in is the honeycomb piece, and then the black HEPA filter, and then this fiberglass piece, and then the screen. And again, the round piece goes to the bottom, and it just snaps back in after you line everything up. It just snaps back in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope I can save you some money. And also thank you to LeBlanc Tech Services for filming this video and hosting it on his channel. If you need some help with your If you need some help with your smart home technology or cutting that cord, take a look at the great informational videos on this channel.